Hi no hi lamsago ani food review ni video ang pati shek ba mai bo khima bai ang wan suka ang shep shelo order khaisa order khachiwan hanai inki ang tini order khaika momo thai chicken grill cheese sandwich this one and then momo half plate 1 2 3 4 5 6 pieces tongo apple juice tongo tai asum order isiwo tami hinba bisisa khagi bo mai sai mangla khaya diba aboni ba ku yang wan suka pomno order khaishwana honai phaidi oh okay ang omo order khaika bo restaurant ni hinba me and momo tami hinba boni momo am sake thogo I'm a fan of the momos. I'm so tasty one momos. But tini ni naika nata bahai. Zora to basho thogia pan manu haya tama. Because I'm a shapro mana ang bong maximum momo bong yoroni order kayo. Inke wa shapro order kay mani am so thogli ata. So let's see tini bahai. This is pork momos. And that is chicken sandwich. This one. So chalo. Start trying na. Boni sauce broke mayo by sauce rodo ang mayo salia. My mayo is not very healthy. Of course, I'm not very healthy, but still mayo. Tinin bagay ang avoid kaisiwana. I'll just have this red sauce, red chutney. It's awesome. It's so juicy, very soft. Get a bony feelings, एकदम meaty, juicy. एकदम fulfilling, so soulful, yeah. Toksuga. 그래서 안 먹으면 수학을 잘하는 거야. 수학을 잘하는 게 아직 feelings 기차 아파서 그라이 말아서. So I don't wanna waste anything. It's tasty. Supremely tasty. Apart from the chutney, even their chutney is also very good. I'll just try the sandwich. I'm going sandwich for try, you know. I will do that sandwich. I think it's for this is for 145. Sandwich is for 145. It's so huge. Kanimano. And momo is for 120. Half plate. Full plate, I think 220 something. 225 something like that. Awesome. Me and momo ni brong ni jo tono thosa do fritters and chicken fritters, veg fritters, pork fried rice या फिर noodles, momo sandwich जो तो नहीं थोको brong ni kaisa no kon क्या apa ni delivery time mar kena lero 1 hour nang thong but wrong someone care mar kena tho so untuk taste kayak neka kawa ang review ang sab saka the momos are very good, very steamy, juicy, meaty, and then the sauce It's also spicy, it's also good. Okay, and the sandwich first class. Jordan kotok overall. So norok bo jodi Agartala ni hinke they momo thoksa khanke narok me and momo thangen narok saimano ba order khaimano through Zomato and Swiggy. Marketing lab angtap sakatini kapal kaham 50% off mano. That means I got all this in 200. This is 120, this is 145 though. Maka 200 ke maka discount ke sa maka 100 taka discount maka angtini. So happy, yeah. I'm sorry, this is not 145. Okay, thanga mo. This is 145, something like that, no? So, aku nong senai ini nih. Ang off camera mo. Sabay siya no. Aku nong senai ini nih bakal norokon. Tom norok ani food review. Tibo na ina mo sangkahan ke ani. Don't forget, ang tam sakapui lawo ani channel no subscribe kay di, like kay di. Jadi no chajak tong khanke te ani norok ani content ani food review rok nai tong na mo sangkahan ke. Connect kay tong yang by ani YouTube channel te by subscribing my channel, and then comment. Don't forget to comment on my video. Bye. Good night.